There is very little time left now, but still if you can ask a small question for 1.5 minutes, still we can answer that.
So this question was raised again in Palestine regarding the Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam after he survived the crucifixion. It says they say like the same way something was written from by his disciples in Palestine. After he survived, was there anything written by any of his followers or any of the history books in the areas he stayed at?
In the area he migrated to, yes, of course. There is a lot of evidence from the people of that area of Jesus' visit to India and Kashmir, and Hazrat Muslim has written a book, Jesus in India, which speaks of lot of evidence which was recorded by the historians of the time, annals of Hindu books, etc., record all these things.